Hey guys, welcome to another video from Historic Militaria. Today we are going to be looking at a hand grenade that I will be really honest, I believe I know what it is. I am not completely sure. By all accounts, this is a Bosnian Zenicanka, and these were made between 1991 and 1995 during the Balkan Wars. And it was produced in the city of Zenica in Bosnia by a local metalworking plant. And these were used by the Bosnian military between 91 and 95. They were pretty limited in production because they were only made at that one plant. They never actually got an official name. So there's just sort of the name is taken from the plant and the city that they were produced at. They are not standardized, and they are basically unknown in America. They're not something that's usually seen because after the Balkan Wars, pretty much all the non-standard grenades were destroyed. As you can see, this is a pretty rough casting. It is it's a defensive hand grenade. So this is a very heavy grenade. It's got that heavy cast iron for a soldier who's got cover after he throws it. It's got the typical Yugoslav practice grenade fuse attached to it. And then inside it would have a improvised detonator. You see this on the Croatian grenades as well. Basically, they would make the grenade, they would fill it with explosive, and then they would use a practice grenade fuse, and then some sort of improvised detonator. And the detonators ran the gamut from really nicely produced ones that really worked to sort of haphazard, God only knows what you're getting. So these grenades are not exactly the safest grenades. They're certainly not something I would want thrown at me, though. And as you can see, the only marking on this is actually the standard marking that you would see on a practice grenade fuse. There's no other markings or anything. As a matter of fact, if this grenade looked a little bit older, it would be really easy to believe it was from World War I. Just by the quality of manufacture and everything, it is pretty rough. But given the circumstances it was made under, it is still pretty impressive that it was made and they were used to however extent. Again, I'm not really sure. The only information on these is really from explosive ordnance disposal folks who found them after the war. Obviously, if you know more about these, certainly if you own one, if you have encountered them, if you are a Bosnian soldier who maybe used one during the war, I would absolutely love to hear more about it. I would love to be corrected what I am wrong about these on. I'm just sort of trying to bring attention to a really unknown and overlooked kind of grenade from a period right after the Cold War. As always, like, comment, subscribe, do all those good things, and we'll be looking at more unusual grenades as we can get our hands on them. Thanks for watching.